Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add captions automatically in Premiere Pro. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add captions automatically in your Premiere Pro, you use the speech to text feature, which first transcribes the audio in your sequence and then converts the transcription into caption track. So first of all, open the text panel, go to Window and tap on Text. After this, you need to transcribe his sequence. Once you have done this in the text panel, ensure you are on the transcript tab. You click on the transcribe button and in the create transcription window, select your language and choose the audio track. Now, once you have done this, create captions from your transcript. Once the transcript is complete, review and edit it for any kind of inaccuracies. In the create caption window, you can set the formatting options. You can format it, max length and single double lines as well. So after this, you can customize the caption and export your video with the correct caption you have currently inputted. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.